What's going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at yet another magnetic wireless charging for MagSafe devices, such as iPhones and all that fun stuff. This also does have the ability to charge your watch and your AirPods on it as well. This is going to be from Makaya. I haven't been able to pronounce it yet, but I'll put their Amazon store in the link in the description. That way you guys can check out all their other products. If I seem out of breath, it's because I am. For one, I'm exhausted and I just worked all day, but I am sick, or at least I'm getting sick. I don't know what it is yet. I think it's just a cold. It might get worse by tonight, so we're going to see how tomorrow goes. We're just going to be opening the box, taking a look at it. What we're going to do is open the box up and take a look at the product. This one's kind of cool because it's got like kind of a clear backplate where the charger is. So here's the actual device itself. And I'm assuming this is the Type-C cable and block if it comes with one. We got the charger. Oh, this one's actually USB 3. That is a USB 3 cable. It could just be blue too. It might not actually be USB 3, but here's the block. This is a travel charger. It is 3.6 to 6 volts to 6 to 9 volt. I don't know what's that. I don't know what that is. Kind of hard to explain. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and take a look at it. So here's the actual unit itself, I guess you could say. It's pretty robust. I'm not really sure what that magnet's for, given your phone's gonna sit right here on top of this, but you actually flip this out, just like that. This is where your watch goes, your Apple AirPods, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if it's a button or not. I'm not sure what that is. There's like a little circle there. And then this is where your smartphone goes. So in all honesty, there's not really a whole lot to talk about. It is a wireless charger for your iPhone. This would be a really great present for, I don't know, your loved one, your kid who has an iPhone collection, like the iPhone series. You got the watch, the headphones, and the actual iPhone. This would be perfect. So they can just put it at their bed, plug it into wherever their power source is, and then put everything on it before they go to bed. In terms of rotation, it goes up to about here. This doesn't go up very far, and it is something you can take with you to like a hotel, for example. You close this, and boom. You put it in your pocket, put it in your back pocket. I would honestly just put it in a backpack or something. You could even just take this with you if you travel a lot. That would also be an option. So it is a pretty cool device. These are just honestly really cool how many different versions there are. So here I've got the iPhone that's completely dead. I was charging it with a different product. And as you can see, it just connects just fine. So and if you guys want more proof, I have the Type-C charger to this bad boy. Oh, this one lights up. Oh, look at that, guys. It glows. That's super cool. Okay, that is actually pretty slick. I don't know if you take the phone off, does it stop or is it just... Okay, so that's what that is. This allows you to just turn the lights on and off, and then obviously another cool thing this product has, that actually the lights on it, the ones that I was showing you earlier, it's going to be a warm light white that's always on. So when it's not, charging a device, it's going to be on. Standby action or indication, it's going to be a warm light that's always on. Charging indication, warm light mode, phone, blue light always on, earbuds, watch, no light. Fully charged indication, it's going to turn blue, that's always on. That should honestly be like, I think it should be red for charging and then blue, but that's fine. And then it's got a FOD alarm indication, green light that keeps flashing. I'm assuming that's just failure to charge or something. And it's also got an LED light touch switch, which is right here if you guys are curious. I do want to thank Makaya for sponsoring this video. Sorry if I can't pronounce your name very well. I'm just not very good with certain names, especially names I've never heard of before. Yeah, if you guys want to check this out, there will be a link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it, drop a like. If you guys did not like it, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. I will see you guys in the next video, and peace out.